Did you know that by supporting the arts, you will be helping to support the needs? For every dollar that you invest into Three Elements Production, you will reinvest a portion in order to meet the needs of a nonprofit organization. Help music meet the needs. By providing stability for Nehemiah needs, for clean work shirts and reliable shoes, for providing your beautiful wife Esther needs, for suitable food for her and their 2 children, Elizabeth and Daniel needs, Three Elements seeks to provide all of their school supplies. See, doing something so little can be measured in such a great way. Join us today with your support, where we specialize in creating events, but enjoy the simple pleasures of life, using either song, dance, or music, the universal medium of life, and support the arts and help music meet the needs.
Music.